I stayed the night over here, man, and still haven't found a load. Went and got some breakfast sandwiches and some iced coffee. What's going on, y'all? I'm over here at the U.S. Cold Storage in Bethlehem, PA. That looked like somebody just came in here and freshly mopped the place. Nice and clean, man. You know I had to leave the place cleaner than what it was when I got in there. But y'all know I took care of some business. Took me a little bird bath. You know, like how you do in the cell when you're on lockdown. Ain't no showers going or nothing. Got wash my drawers. You know, then I got my crock pot. Oh yeah, my oxtail. Got me some tea, man. Folks got a nice little tea machine over here. Just made myself at home. But yeah, got this. Good to be out for Long Island, you know. Yeah, that's how we doing it. That's how we trucking over here right now. Just trying to make the best of it. Look at this. Yeah. See, I'm a cook right now while I'm getting loaded. Took my little bird bath and everything. Cleaned my truck out before I even came in here. And cook. And then carry this load down to Harrisonburg, Virginia for 8:45 deliver in the morning at 6. And then I'm gonna carry another load. Then I got my next, and then I got the load after that booked. I'm gonna be no deadhead from Harrisonburg, like 20 miles. Catch that load, and then carry that up to Connecticut for $14.50. Once I get to Connecticut, I'm gonna be delivering in Rocky Hill, Connecticut. Then I got me another load booked from Bloomberg. Y'all know the Niagara facility out in Bloomberg, Connecticut. Take that to Amsterdam, deliver there, and be empty on Sunday in Amsterdam, New York. So we'll see what happens from there. Maybe I might find something, or you know, we'll see how it goes. But yeah. So these are the two loads I was telling y'all about. This is the one that this 8:45 load. Before I booked this load, I had booked a load with TQL whenever I was Long Island, and I drove even deeper into Long Island to go pick up that load. Whenever I got there, they canceled the load. They paid me $150 truck order not used. So on the 19th, I woke up looking for a load. I booked that load with TQL. Went to go pick up. They canceled it. The guy sent me $150. Then as soon as that load got canceled, I got this load. So I had to deadhead from Long Island to Bethlehem, PA on the 19th. Picked that load up and then drove down to Harrisonburg, Virginia, and now here I am delivering at Cisco. But later on today, I'm gonna pick this load up and head up to Connecticut for $14.90. Next day delivery. After that load, then I got a Niagara load leaving Bloomfield, going to Albany. That's $600. on a Saturday. Sunday, I got 1,200 same day delivery. Not next day delivery, but same day delivery. Going from I guess kind of by Syracuse down to Ashland, VA. 1,200. So that's what it's looking like, y'all. Just gonna share that with y'all.